Hey lovely people, welcome back to another episode of Stitches Bits Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today I want to share with you how to make the new Shamballa hairband. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. So to start, you take your headband and then put a little glue at the end and fix one seed bead to block the end of the headband. Cut your Shamballa cord and fold it into two as you can see in the video, and make sure you get two equal parts and tie it once, just once. So you take one side of the cord, being it's the right side or the left side, but I took the right side, so I placed the right side on top and then the left one comes under the metal and then pull it through the right one. Okay, after pulling it through, you pull both sides to tie it. Okay, the next one, you take the left side, you put that one on top and then pass the right one under it and pull it out of the left side. The first time we took the right one, and this one we are taking the left side. So you repeat the same process by taking the right one now and then passing the left one under it and then pull out. So you repeat the same process, but note that when you start with the left side, the second one you do should be from the right one, from the right side. So it should be left and right. We are still going on with the same procedure or the same process. So when you start from the left, the next one will be from the right. When you start from the right, the next one will be from the left. As you can still see, we are taking it from the right to the left and from the left to the right, the same process. Hey, our cord is getting finished though. Let's watch how to join a new cord. So you cut a new cord, make sure you get two equal parts and then tie it. You tie it like the way we tied it the first time. So the first time, no, yeah, baba shasi, no. So now you trick cord, no, okay. But let's watch this trick. How no one will notice that you added a new cord. Do you get it? So you use the same process, but this time it should be on the new cord. Then you pull it out. We are repeating the same process with the new cord. So if you ended with the left side, then we are starting the new cord with the right side. But if you ended with the right side, then we are starting the new cord with the left side with the same process. So when you get to the end, so you sew the end to likewise the first one. Then you cut off excess cord if it's too long. Melt the ends of the cord as you can see in the video. And here is your easy handmade Shamballa hairband. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of these tutorials. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.